eggplant mung beans rice, or eggplant split mung beans rice, or aubergine split mung beans rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes, and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes, and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the aubergine recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the beans recipes. Today we are going to make eggplant split mung beans rice. Ingredients are around 100 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for around 1 hour, 150 grams of aubergine cut into small pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 green chillies, 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces and shallots. Salt, chopped garlic, saute the onions in the shallots until they lose the pinkish color. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger, salt, keep on sauteing the ginger. It is too delicious. Put in the garlic, salt, saute garlic, put in the tomato pieces, salt, salt, tomato pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. On sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Put in salt taste, mix. Put in the eggplant or aubergine pieces, mix thoroughly. Mix the eggplant and the aubergine pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in 1 spoon of mixture spices. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the split mung beans. Mix with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 300 ml of water, mix thoroughly, and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Put in the green chilli, mix, and let the mixture cook for the required time. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the eggplant split mung beans rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Eggplant split mung beans rice, or Aubergine split mung beans rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes, and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the Aubergine recipes, and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes, one of the most different of the yellow rice recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.